Hello, everybody. Please subscribe for my YouTube channel. This is my sample of my wind up there. Are you ready? First, for my first spill, laser beam, for back row protection, shield crush, wind up Zigger, shot of greed, off into the doom, double summon, jiggler, wind up jiggler, summoning monk, wind up rabbit, summoning monk, torrential, wind up shark, wind up warrior, two wind up warriors, wind up shark, wind up factory, trap hole, discard, silver lining light, wind up magician, magic senator, shrink, spell spinning circle, armor, lightning beam, wind up shark, gravity, wind up rabbit, shadow spell, wind up warrior. I know a lot of people don't like running 3 wind up warrior, but for me it works. Wind up factory, compulsory, forbidden lands, wind up factory, wind up rabbit, my bad, rabbit, hunter, magician, but it's one in this wind up deck. I grabbed 2 in case, but you ever go to a tournament, you need this one magician, wind up magician, one Thunder King, and one Rainbow Alive. I know you guys. I will have a wind up rat. When I get that soon, I'll put that in my update videos. Okay, the side deck is Utopia, Excalibur. This wind up Zigger is banned still. Just telling you guys, it's banned in Yu-Gi-Oh tournaments. Shark Forcer, mandatory for the day when you get wind up rat. Ninja, now for the rank 3s, wind up number 34, number 0, the same card that banned, number Guardian Knight, Shark, Leo, other Leo. It's for whatever. I got boxing glove, boxing boxer to fill it up, and I have my last number 18. Thank you guys. Hope you subscribe.